Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Nail Spa Kit is probably one of the most exciting ways for young girls to explore their creativity and enjoy some self-care time. This kit is designed to bring the fun of a nail salon right into your home, offering a fantastic opportunity for girls aged 7 to 12 to experiment with colors, designs, and express their unique style. Get ready to dive into a world of sparkling creativity and colorful fun. Number 5. Amagoing Kids Nail Polish Set. Every girl dreams of beauty, and this kit helps them achieve it. It includes colorful nail polish and stickers, allowing them to create their own nail art and develop fine motor skills and visual aesthetic sense. The nail polish pens offer both brush and nib functions, perfect for nail art design. The mini nail dryer is easy to use and adds fun to decorating nails with friends and family. Featuring unicorn and mermaid themes, these press-on fingernails are designed for children. They are easy to apply and remove. Each box contains 24 cute fake nail tips in different sizes. This set includes nail pens, stickers, press-on nails, a nail dryer, a nail file, toe separators, and more. Girls can unleash their creativity and design over 200 nail art styles with these accessories. This manicure and pedicure set is a great gift for birthdays, holidays, and parties. With non-toxic nail polish and various supplies, they can share the fun with friends at sleepovers or spa days. What we like? This kit features versatile 2-in-1 nail pens for drawing and painting. If you're looking for a kit that sparks creativity, this is it. It's perfect for girls who love to express themselves through nail art and enjoy a wide range of design possibilities. What people say. Great quality and value. Great products for little girl, and it easily come off and it has less odor, and my 5-year-old daughter is enjoying it. Number 4. Golray Kids Nail Polish Set. This all-in-one kit includes everything your child needs for a fun nail art experience. It comes with a nail dryer, various nail polishes, glitter, stickers, and even false nails. It's a complete set for creative play. The nail dryer also functions as a storage case, keeping all the accessories organized. The dryer uses room temperature air, ensuring safety and preventing any burns. It's safe and easy to use. The nail polishes are water-based and non-toxic, making them safe for kids. They apply easily and peel off without the need for harsh removers. It's a worry-free way for kids to enjoy nail art. The set includes press-on nails that stick easily without glue. Kids can also use the included stickers to further decorate their nails. It's a fun and simple way to enhance their nail designs. This nail art set is a great gift idea for girls aged 3 to 12. It's perfect for parties or playdates, providing hours of entertainment. It's a fun and creative toy that kids will love. What we like? This all-in-one kit includes a safe nail dryer and peel-off polish. If you value safety and convenience, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for parents who want a worry-free nail art experience for their children. What people say. She absolutely loves it. The dryer is great and the polish lasts quite a long time. Adorable kit for littles. The nail polish does peel off, which is a plus and negative in the same sentence. Small and easily used by smaller kids. The fan is usable with batteries and does help dry. Number 3. FunKidz 315 PCS Nail Polish Pens Combo Pack. This kit comes with 8 nail pens in a variety of awesome colors, including glow-in-the-dark options. You can paint, draw, and add details with these professional-grade pens. The possibilities are endless. This set includes everything needed to design amazing nail art. It's perfect for sleepovers, parties, and holiday gatherings. You can create festive designs for your family and friends. The set includes nail stickers with many classic patterns. You just need to stick them on. Then, you can decorate the nails with the nail polish pens. With 315 pieces, this set brings the ultimate nail salon experience. It's a perfect gift for teens to design unique nails. The kid-friendly polish is water-based and non-toxic, ensuring a safe and fabulous new look. These nail polish pens offer 3 functions: brush painting, nib drawing, and dotting with glitter. It provides full demands on nail art designing. It's a complete nail art solution in one pen. What we like? This kit offers multiple nail pens with various functions, including brush painting, drawing, and dotting. If you like a kit with many colors and tools, this is the one. It's perfect for girls who love to create detailed and unique nail designs. What people say. They loved it and they're still using it and will still be using it this Christmas. The creative possibilities are endless. Number 2. FunKidz Nail Studio Kit. This ultimate nail set lets kids pretend to be real manicurists. It comes with everything they need to create nail art in minutes, including nail polish and fun accessories. The built-in nail dryer uses warm air to quickly dry nails in about 15 seconds. This is perfect for kids who want to avoid smudging their nail art while playing. This kit is great for small group activities. Girls can share the fun and enjoy doing their nails together at parties. The nail polish is designed to be easily removed with water from skin and clothing. Kids can also simply peel it off their nails when they're done. This FunKidz nail art kit is a great gift for girls aged 6 to 12. It's perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion for those who love makeup and DIY activities. What we like. This kit includes a quick nail dryer and peelable polish. If you are looking for a kit that is easy to use and clean up, this is a great choice. It's perfect for girls who want to enjoy nail art without the mess and hassle. What people say. Great colors. Easy to assemble. Nail dryer perfect. Number 1. Amagoing Nail Art Kit for Girls. This complete nail designing kit includes everything your child needs. It comes with a storage desk, peelable nail polish, a fan dryer, glitter, and more. They can't wait to share and create glamorous nail looks with their friends. The nail dryer quickly sets their nails in about 15 seconds. The included storage desk keeps everything organized. No more worries about a messy makeup table. The set includes 7 non-toxic, water-based nail polish colors. It's easy to peel off, so they can easily fix any mistakes. No harsh chemicals are needed for removal, ensuring safe fun. This kit includes glitter, 3D nail decorations, and stickers. It lets girls design their own unique nail styles. They can use their imagination and creativity. This glamour DIY nail kit is a fantastic gift. It's perfect for birthdays, parties, and holidays. Now, kids can start painting their colorful moods on their nails. What we like. This kit comes with a storage desk and non-toxic, quick-dry polish. If you want a kit that is organized and safe, this is the one. It's ideal for girls who want a complete nail art experience with easy cleanup and safe materials. What people say. She has no trouble using it by herself. She loved all the different things she could do. She did 4 of the girls' nails with polish and decorative stickers and barely used any of the kit. Lots left over to take home. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.